Hey everybody, today I will show you how to log in at debit card systems. As you know, it refers to Employment Development Department of State of California, and the Employment Development Department uses the debit card from Bank of America to deliver benefits payments for all benefit programs, and so you need to have a debit card to get your benefits. As you see, I am on the main page of edd.ca.gov, and in this website you can see two login pages here on the right top of the website. One of them is benefits login and the other one is employer login, and I will show you the employer login page. Yes, this is employer login page, and you can, if you have an employer, you have employer services online. You can do many services online here on this website, and as you see, you can log in to e-services for business, and you can log in into e-watts, and you can also log in into sites e-response, and also you can see additional resources here for more information and review these choices here. And but if you don't have an account on edd.ca.gov, you need to enroll the website in this enroll button here. Yes, and also you can choose language sources. You can choose different languages, and you can see jobs, claims, and news on this website. I think it's really useful website if you get benefits from state of California as a employer or beneficiaries. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please share and like the videos for more videos. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.